The word Andhra means a leader in the battle. The history of the history of the state has vital links with the past as well as 300 BC with the architectural monuments and from the epics of the Mahabharata and Ramayana. The state was ruled by great emperors of Mauryas, Shatavahanas, Pallavas, Cholas, Chalukyas, and Kakatiyas and Nizams. During the period 623 and 1323 AD, the state has faced significant changes in the social, religious, and literary spheres. The Telugu language was scripted and formulated during the 11th century by the great scholars, so-called Kavitrayan, Nannaya Bhattu, Tikkanna Somayajulu, and Errapragada. During the Mughal Empire period, the great saints like Annamacharya, Tyagaraja, Kshetraya, and Ramadasu had contributed to lot towards the Telugu language at a par with the Deccan Urdu in the name of the Karnataka music with intimated devotion to Lord Rama and Lord Krishna on the basis of the Vedas and Upanishads. In the British region, the state leaders like Alluri Sita Ramaraju, Tanguturi Prakasham Pantulu, Sarojini Naidu, etc. had great contribution in the freedom movement. A part of this Andhra state was initially in a Madras presidency and other with a Nizam state. After the independence, Potti Sriramalu had sacrificed his life for a separate Andhra state by sitting on a hunger strike called a Nirahara Diksha and passed away on 56th day on 15th December 1952. This uncontrolled situation in the state had compelled the then Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru to form a separate state in 1953, which had also got the concept of the linguistic states. Finally, on November 1st, 1956, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka were formed, followed by Gujarat and Maharashtra in 1960. Since then, Potti Sriramalu became Amarjeevi for the formation of the linguistic state in India. On this formation day, it is our duty to pay tributes to all the great personalities who are born from our Telugu Talli and contributed in the various fields and made us to stand as united with a strong traditional background in national and international level. On this day, the Telugu organization in and outside country arrange various cultural programs as a mark of respect to our great leaders. Now, let us see the great legends and glimpses of Andhra Pradesh. This is called a Kavitrayan. The three poets, one is Nannaya, is called Adikavi. He belongs to 10th century. He wanted to translate the Mahabharata of Sanskrit into Telugu, but that time Telugu was not developed. His whole life spent in formulating the Telugu language, the proper grammar, with the sequences. So in a life, he could translate only 2.5 parvas, is Nannaya Bhattu. Then after 300 years, another person was born, he is called Tikkanna, and he translated rest of the Mahabharata of 44 through 18 chapters. But he did not do the third chapter because that was Aranyakandamu. After 100 years, Errapragada was born. Errapragada completed the task and he completed the third chapter. The great poets from Andhra Pradesh, we have Vemana. Vemana is well known for the slokas. We call in Telugu Vemana Shatakalu. Vishwadhabhirama, Vinaravema. When all the children, when they go to the school, they first learn the Vemana Shatakalu. Then another great poet was born, Bommera Potanna. Great rulers and ministers of Andhra Pradesh. Krishna Deva Rayalu, I did not explain about him. He is a well-known figure of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. And his main intention was to develop the Telugu language He sacrificed and developed all monuments and religious temples in Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka side. Then another great ruler was Sri Rajaraja Narendrudu, and he also a very great writer, warrior, and scripture. He did lot of work for the Telugu people. Then we have a Tenali Ramalinganna. I need not explain. He is the most intelligent minister and is called a Vikata Kavi. Then, like him, there are so many ministers, but Akkanna, Madanna, all belong to the Krishna-Devaraya periods. Now, in India, in Andhra Pradesh, we had a great saints. One Annamacharya Kirtanalu, they are still well known. Throughout Andhra Pradesh, in the world, people go for Annamacharya Kirtanalu. He wrote more than 2,000 kirtanas on Venkateshwara, Lord Venkateshwara name. Then another great saint, we know everybody, Tyagaraja Kirtanas. Tyagaraja is famous for the Lord Rama. He spent whole his life in writing the Kirtanas and Lord Rama. Then another, we remember the Kshatriya, is words, Kshatriya Padalu, we call it as. Then Ramadasu is another great poet from Andhra Pradesh. He also spent his life in writing the Kirtanas on the name of the Ramas. So mostly he spent his life in a Bhadrachalam. Now we'll go to the Nizam rulers. The Hyder Ali was the first Nizam ruler. Then Asaf Jah. Then last Nizam with a Patel, which I've got a picture. The Nizam, last Nizam of the Hyderabad state, it seems as per the latest news, he deposited around £1 million in the UK bank. His great grandchildren are fighting for such a huge amount. Now we have the freedom fighters. Gujral Apparao is a famous freedom fighter, is a reformer. Then we have Alluri Sitarama Raju. He fought with his own army against the British people. Then Duggirala, he is a famous poet. He contributed towards the freedom fighter on his work of the writing literatures, poems. Then now, these are three great leaders of Andhra Pradesh. Pingali Venkayya, he is called Jatiya Pataka Nirmata. He designed the tricolor of the Indian flag, which was accepted by the Indian National Congress that time. Mahatma Gandhi accepted that, and that Indian flag which you are using was made by Pingali Venkayya. He is called Jatiya Pataka Nirmata. Then another person was a great Amarajeevi Potti Sriramulu. He is the main person who is standing in the middle. He is the main person to form the southern state on the basis of linguistics. Then Andhra Kesari is a freedom fighter, and he is called Andhra Kesari Tanguturi Prakasham. He was the first chief minister of Andhra Pradesh. Then we have another freedom fighters, Kandukuri Vireshwalingam Pantulu, social reformer. Sarojini Naidu, everybody knows, she is the Nightingale of India. She wrote a lot of poems in the English language. Durgabai Deshmukh, she is another writer and freedom fighter and social reformer. She has constructed a lot of, she was the first lady to fight against the Indian movements, women movements. Now we have presidents and prime minister from Andhra Pradesh. Sri V.V. Giri was the first president from Andhra Pradesh, then Neelam Sanjeev Reddy, then P.V. Narasimha Rao. I need not to tell about P.V. Narasimha Rao. He is the most intelligent person. He knew 16 languages. So because of that, he was so famous throughout India. Now we have the great personality, N.T. Rama Rao. Nandamuri Tarak Rama Rao is called. First, he was an actor. He acted many films. Then he was a leader. He became a leader within 9 months. Then after 9 months, he became a chief minister on the party called Telugu Desam Party. He changed and identified Andhras in the world as the Atma Gaurav. Then we have a Chandrababu Naidu. He is a son-in-law of N.T. Rama Rao. He took the chair from N.T. Rama Rao. And when he was a chief minister, he had a direct relations with Bill Clinton. He invited that Bill Clinton to visit the Andhra Pradesh. Then he has got a good relation with Bill Gates. He made a software technology with Bill Gates and Microsoft, lot of offices we have in Andhra Pradesh. Now, Jiddu Krishnamurthy, all our educationists knows about him. He is a great philosopher, great educationalist. He presented a talk in United Nations. He got an award on United Nations Peace Award. He made one school in Anantapur. It's very difficult to get admission. Whoever gets passed from the school, it will be the jump in the throwaway place. Then T. Anjaya, he was a labor. He was earning a 40 rupees salary when he was in his childhood. Now he was the chief minister of Andhra Pradesh. Then now present chief minister, we have Dr. Y.S. Rajashekar Reddy. Now Andhra Pradesh has a great spiritual masters. Ganapati Satchidananda Swami. He sings the songs, self-composed songs that will treat the what you call that ragas, Ayurvedic ragas. So that will be treat you the songs here. Then Shankaracharya. He is the first engaged Shankaracharya at the age of 23 years. He is from Rajamandri. Then everybody knows Sri Satya Sai Baba is called a living God. He has got a miracle. He has done a lot of miracles, and throughout the world, millions of people are his followers. Then Sundara Chaitananda, he did a lot of work in the Vishnu Sahasranamalu, Lalita Sar converted, and a lot of Puranas he does. Then Chinnamayananda, lot of missions we have. Then Kuchipudi dance, Andhra's famous dance. Nataraj Ramakrishna, he has redesigned the Kuchipudi dance. Then Vemputi Chinna Satyam. Then Raja Radha Reddy, they belong to Andhra Pradesh, Adilabad district. Then Sobha Naidu, and one is we call is Vedanta Satyam Sharma. She is a male, but she acted a lot of female roles. Now we are the film actors, stars from Andhra Pradesh. One is the famous person S.V. Rangarao. We have the N.T. Ramarao, Akkine Nageshwar Rao, Krishna, Shobhan Babu, and Chiranjeevi. Now he made a one Praja Rajyamu party. He might become chief minister, people say. Then famous Jamuna and Jayaprada. She is the now parliamentarian. Now we have the singers, and Ghantasala, the famous singer, S.P. Balasubramaniam. I need not to tell about him. He sang in almost all languages. Then Bala Murali Krishna, P. Shushila. Then K.R. Vishwanath is a famous director. He makes the movies with a letter starting with a Sa. All his movies are popular. Then Dasari Narayan Rao. Then a Gaddar is a film singer. He is a singer. I hope this man also you may be knowing. His name is a Janardhan Rao, but he is comedian. His name is called as a Johnny Liver. He belongs to Andhra Pradesh. Then the famous writers, Bapu, lot of chitras, is a good writer, and lot of things he has done it. And Sri Sri is a famous person. He got a Soviet awards. And C. Narayan Reddy, Rama Naidu is a director and producer. And Subbi Ram Reddy, he was the producer and director, the big businessman. Now he's a parliamentarian. Now industrialist and Ramoji Rao, he made the Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh wonderful. There was a one forest, he took the forest, he made a Ramoji Rao film city. I will show you some of the glimpses of the Ramoji Rao film city. Then B.V. Ramalinga Raju, we may not know his name, but we know his computers, Satyam Computers. The Satyam Computers belongs to B.V. Ramalinga Raju. Another person, B.V.R. Mohan Reddy, Infotech. Then Dr. Pratap Reddy, he has made whole medical hospitals, super specialty hospitals in Andhra, India, and throughout the world. Then Anji Reddy, he did pharmaceuticals engineering course. He did a lot of pharmaceuticals companies he has in Andhra Pradesh. Then another great personality, Ramaya. He was an ordinary teacher. Then he converted the ordinary colleges into the corporate colleges, which is the IIT coaching. He's the most famous person. Whole education has been changed by Mr. Ramaya. Now, great sports personalities from Andhra Pradesh. M.L. Jaisimha, the younger people may not be knowing, he was a famous cricket player. Ajaruddin, I did not explain about him. Then V.V.S. Lakshman, the current cricket player. Now, K. Malleshwari, weightlifter, Sania Mirza, lawn tennis player, and Gopi Chand, badminton, he got a lot of awards. There are two kathas. Kathas means stories, as per in Telugu, small stories. It's called a Burrakatha. Then Harikatha. Harikatha means on the name of a Lord. Then Sankranti is a famous festival, Andhra Pradesh. Then we generally, on the Sankranti day, in front of the house, we ladies will put a muggulu. Then we have the glimpses of Andhra Pradesh. We have Kula Devatalu. In Telugu, we call it the Inti Devatalu. Prati Inti Koka Inti Devatu Untadu. So we have a Tirupati, the richest temple in the world, is the Lord Venkateshwara. Then other people will go to the Vemlavada Parvati Rajarajeshwarudu. Then Simvachalamu is a famous for Lord Narasimha Swami. Then we have a Sri, in total we have a 12 Jyotirlingas. Out of 12 Jyotirlingas, we have a 2 Jyotirlingas in Andhra Pradesh. One is Sri Shailamu, another one is Kaleshwaramu. Annavaramu is the only one temple in the world on the name of Lord Satyanarayana Swami. Then Basara Saraswati is in Adilabad district. People will go for Akshara Bhyasamu to goddess Basara Saraswati. Bhadrachalamu in Khammam on the name of the Lord Sri Rama. Then Mangalagiri temple, people say that Pandavas used to stay there, constructed the temple. Then it's called Panakala Narasimha Swami. The great picture you see is that he takes only half of the container of the milk or a juice, whatever you give. He takes only half of the container. Then famous forts in Andhra Pradesh, Vijayanagaramu and Golconda Fort in Hyderabad. This is the 1,000-pillar temple in Warangal district. Then Yadagiri Gutta is also in Warangal district. Then these are the few places one can visit in Hyderabad who has got a time in the holidays. One is a beautiful temple in the hill station, in the hills called Birla Mandir on the Lord Venkateshwara. Then Assembly, center of the city. This is the Mecca Masjid. It's a famous place for the Muslims. People will go for every Friday on all the important days. Then High Court and Usmania University, the oldest university we can say. Then another beautiful of the Hyderabad Salar Jung Museum. These are all constructed by the Muslim Nizam rulers. Then there is a one famous church in a Medak, it's called a Medak church. Then other views, other pictures are inside view of the Salar Jung Museum. It's a worth saying whoever goes to Hyderabad, spend some time in Salar Jung Museum. Then we have 2 rivers in Andhra Pradesh. 2 sisters, out of 6, we have 2 sisters. One is Krishna River, passes through Vijayawada. Another Godavari River comes from Maharashtra, passes through whole Andhra Pradesh. Then I will take you to the Vizag. Vizag is called Vizag, the beautiful sightseeing place. Rishikenda beach, one can see. This is the Kailashgiri. Sri N.T. Ramarao, when he was the chief minister, he visited and made it 2 Kailashgiris and Burra caves. Then Vizag city, and there is a submarine. This is a museum, people can go and see the submarine. Vizag shipyard we have. Then these are famous dishes. Gutti Vankaya, Hyderabad biryani, famous, delicious. And Upma Pesarattu, prawn curries. Then we have the Nirmal toys, paintings we have. Then Lepakshi handicrafts available. Then we have pearls, Hyderabad pearls. Then Kuntara waterfalls in different places in Hyderabad. This is the first Afro-Asian Games conducted during the Chandrababu Naidu period. Then Apollo hospitals, the Satya Sai Cancer Hospital is a free hospital, anybody can go and take the treatment. The IMAX Theatre in Hyderabad is a novel hotel. Then high-tech city is called as Cyberabad. Then Sriharikota is in Andhra Pradesh, and government has sanctioned an IIT in Medak district, and we have a National Remote Science Agency, and a newly constructed airport. Then NTR Gardens in Hyderabad. The Charminar is the 400 years monument, still it is a very good condition. Charminar, one can see this. Ramoji Rao Film Studio, Film City. Ramoji Film City we have. This is the Hussain Sagar Lake.
అదివో అదివో అల్లదివో శ్రీహరివాసము అదివో అల్లదివో శ్రీహరివాసము అదివో అల్లదివో శ్రీహరివాసము 10,000 శేషుల వరదలమయము అదివో అల్లదివో శ్రీహరివాసము 10,000 శేషుల వరదలమయము అదివో అల్లదివో శ్రీహరివాసము వందే వాసుదేవం వందే వాసుదేవం శ్రీపతిం వందే వాసుదేవం శ్రీపతిం వందే వాసుదేవం తారకాధీశ వందిత పదాబ్జం 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 వందే వాసుదేవం బ్రహ్మ కడిగిన పాదము కడిగిన పాదము కడిగిన పాదము కడిగిన పాదము బ్రహ్మము తానే నీ పాదము కడిగిన పాదము బ్రహ్మము తానే నీ పాదము కడిగిన పాదము ముద్దుగారే యశోద ముంకిట ముత్యము వీడు దిద్దరాని మహిమల దేవకీ సూతుడు ముద్దుగారే యశోద ముంకిట ముత్యము వీడు దిద్దరాని మహిమల దేవకీ సూతుడు ముద్దుగారే యశోద ముంకిట ముత్యము వీడు ఇద్దరని మహిమల దేవకీ సూతుడు ముద్దుగారే యశోద ముంకిట ముత్యము వీడు ఇద్దరని మహిమల దేవకీ సూతుడు ముద్దుగారే యశోద ముంకిట ముత్యము వీడు ఇద్దరని మహిమల దేవకీ సుతుడు ముద్దుగారే యశోద సతులు పొందుచున్నారా నీవని సతులు పొందుచున్నారా ముంకిట నాడరా మోహనాకార ముంకిట నాడరా మోహనాకార ముంకిట నాడరా మోహనాకార అచ్యుత
a 9 days festival where goddess Durga is worshipped. In some parts of the state, people celebrate Batkama, a celebration of flowers where women dance and sing around the flower paths.
గౌరమ్మకి పసుపు పూసే తంగెల్లో ఎలటాము దిద్దేరు మందార పూలో గున్నాలు పెట్టేరు గునుగు బడులో తామాల మందొడి తామర పూలో పులి పెట్టి చూడు ఉయ్యాలో సీతా జడ పూల సిక్కి ఇయ్యాలో పులి మోసి నిండ సిద్ధులలో పూలో కూని చిటి మా బంగారు కల్లో ఇంగిలి పూల తోటి ఈడు పూలలో 9 రోజులు నిండి పూలలో సప్పట్లు సప్పలను సుత్తు ముచ్చల్లో హిందీ సుగలో వెలిగింది సుగలో ఆడే తీసుగలో ఇచ్చి వాయనాల వచ్చి కోరి వాయనాలు
First of all, we are introducing a Burra Katha. Burra Katha is a oral storytelling, actually technique in Katha tradition performed in villages. The troupe consists of one main performer and two co-performers. It is a narrative entertainment that consists of prayers, solo drama, dance and songs, etc. The topic will be either a mythological story or a contemporary social issues. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the grand finale we are giving to you. It's a big performance. More performers are there. Please watch it and enjoy.
చిల్లడి తెలుగు దేశమున జననమొందినాడా దేవా వీరాంగుడమన్య సోదరుల వీరగాథ నేడు దేవా దేవిశాలుడు తెలుగు యోధుడు సీతారామరాజే తన వారిని మరచి తాపసి రాదో చూడమన్య సోదరుల వీరగాథ లేదు ఆరయగల్గను తిరుగుతూ దేశము తీరు రామరాదో చూడమన్య సోదరుల వీరగాథ లేదు వన్య ప్రాంతమున పాపి కొండక మానుడు వచ్చాడా అన్ని విన్నారా చదిగినదో చెట్టు కట్టి మీరంతా ఒకటై కదలాలన్నాడా వావా పట్టుబట్టి ఆ మన్యవాసులను సిద్ధపరచినాడా ఇది గిట్టని ప్రభుత్వం దోపిడీ దొంగని పేరు పెట్టి రాజును జైల్లో పెట్టింది 30 ఎకరాల మాన్యం కూడా ఇస్తానంది 5 ఆర్లు 30 ఎంతమందికి రా ఒక్కడికే సరే పట్టి బాటలు విన్న రాజ చచ్చిపుడిగై భగ్గుమంట పట్టి మీసము పట్టి దుంగాడా నారాయణ పట్టి మీసము పట్టి దుంగాడా నారాయణ మేలంతములు చేముట్టనన్నాడా నారాయణ మేలంతములు చేముట్టనన్నాడా నారాయణ ఐదు నుండి తా పారిపోయనే మైదు బుచ్చి వారి అన్య ప్రాంతమున కోయ చెంచు సైన్యాల కూర్చినాడా నారాయణ చూడమన్య సోదరుల వీరగాథ నేడు దేవదేవ మాయవేషము మారు పేర్లతో మసలుతున్నవాడు శిక్షణ శిష్ట రక్షణ నానిష్టన్నాడా అరే దేశదాస్యమును రూపుమాపగా దీక్షముని నాడా అయ్యా దొరలను దోచి పేద సాధలకు పంచిపెట్టినాడా కొరత లేని శ్రీరామరాజ్యమును సాపడ చేశాడా వెంటనే ప్రభుత్వం దండతో రాజుపై కదిలింది ఆ వార్తయే రాజుకొచ్చారా అగ్గిరాముడై లేచరా బొగ్గు హక్కునే మండరా పండ్లు పటపట నూరాలా ఫలానంటి భయ తమ్ముడా నేడు ఫలానోయ్ దాదానా కంటొందరనే బీచరా తామ్మల్లు దొరలేచరా ఆజ్ఞలందుకున్నాడురా ఆయుధాలు చేపట్టారా ఫలానంటి భయ తమ్ముడా నేడు ఫలానోయ్ దాదానా తెల్ల సేనలందూచరా ఒళ్ళు పులకరించిందిరా సదక్కడోం ఢంకాతాధరం రోజుందా పటాల మేతల రేజిందా ఫలానంటి భయ తమ్ముడా నేడు ఫలానోయ్ దాదానా కుండల నిండా కోయలురా బండ బండకో బాణమురా ఫలానంటి భయ తమ్ముడా నేడు ఫలానోయ్ దాదానా చెంచులురా పుట్టబగిలినట్టున్నారా ఫలానంటి భయ తమ్ముడా వాసనాల వావాదులరా దురమల్య సోదరుల తీరగాకనే తగదా 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 తగదా.
Burrakatha was by Nageshwar Rao, Anand and Murli. Now we are presenting you the next program, which is Kuchipudi.
Kuchipudi is a classical Telugu dance. It is also popular all over South India. Kuchipudi is the name of a village. Bharata Muni, who wrote the Natya Shastra about 3000 years ago, had explained various aspects of this dance form. It shares many common elements with Bharatanatyam. The dance is accompanied by song which is typically Carnatic music.
dim ta dhanna ta dim ta dhanna tak ta dim ta dhanna dim ta dhanna dim ta dhanna dim ta dhanna tak ta dim ta dhanna dim ta dhanna dim ta dhanna ta dim ta dhanna tak ta dim ta dhanna ta dim ta dhanna dit tangad kad 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 ta tangad kad 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 tangad kad kad tangad kad 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 madhava manmohana
वासुदेव कवि फणिदं समर्पितं श्री कृष्ण लीला तरंग
ధీం తధన తధీం తధన ధీం తధీం తధన తధీం తధన తక తధీం తధన తధీం తధన ధీం తధీం తధన తధీం తధన తక తధీం తధన తధీం తధన ధీం తధీం తధన తధీం తధన తక జనుతం తక జనుతం తక జను తక జనుతం తక జనుతం తక జను తక జనుతం తక జనుతం తక జనుతం.
Kuchipudi was performed by Niveda Anil, Ria George, Sridevi, choreographed by Mr. Gideon Master. The next would be Bathukamma.
Bathukamma is a festival or Panduga celebrated in Telugu people. In means in some regional areas of Telugu people living there. Every year, this festival falls in September to October. It is celebrated for 9 days during Durga Navaratri. Bathukamma is a beautiful flower stalk arranged with different unique seasonal flowers, most of them with medicinal value in 7 layers in the shape of a cone. Please enjoy this song.
బతుకమ్మ ఉయ్యాలో బంగారు బతుకమ్మ ఉయ్యాలో బతుకమ్మ బతుకమ్మ ఉయ్యాలో బంగారు బతుకమ్మ ఉయ్యాలో ఆనాటి కాలాన ఉయ్యాలో ధర్మాంగుడను రాజు ఉయ్యాలో ఆ రాజు భార్యయు ఉయ్యాలో అతి సత్యవతి అన్రు ఉయ్యాలో
Excellent performance, ladies. Thank you so much. Well done, really good. And these performance names are Shravani Kiran, Mrs. Rupa Suresh Paralinath, and Madhuri Praveen, Suganya Pradeep, Sweta Sirish, Amulu Murli Krishna, Lavanya Ravikumar, and Nagalakshmi Pallam Raju.
The next we have Marfa dance. It is actually Hyderabadi music and dance. Please enjoy the dance. The participants of the Marfa dance are Alim Khan, Farid, Amir, Abdul Rahman, Etram, Ali Banakit, Sajid, Salah, Mansoor and Said.
And our next performance is folk dance.
So you will all know folk dance is a typical village dance, and most of you all would have seen this in villages. So please see and enjoy it.
Well, that was indeed a lovely performance with the Anand and group. Our next performance is Dappulu.
And for the folk dance, we have the participants as Anand, Jitender, Ranjit. And for Dappulu, we have Balaya, Bumaya, Madhu, and Prasad.
And Dappulu is also known for a village dance it is. We are going to give a tremendous performance. So please watch this.